Hi guys, welcome to Gran Canaria Uncovered, and today we're on Amadores Beach near to Puerto Rico. It's actually evening, so it's about 6:30 in the evening now. Why are we here in the evening? Well, first of all, it's 31 degrees centigrade, so why not? And secondly, because this is August the 12th, so today we have the solar eclipse. And not just a solar eclipse, but we have a sunset eclipse. So what's going to happen in about an hour or so, an hour and 20 minutes, is we're going to have a 70–78% coverage of the sun, and while it's eclipsed, it's going to sink into that Atlantic Ocean over there. We're sure it's going to look absolutely spectacular. We have a wonderful sunset here normally, but tonight, you know what? Something amazing. Come on, let's enjoy it.